Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1, we also call a pitcher a big container with a handle. Correct. Number 2, do you? That's right. Hungry now. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. We have a jug of milk. We have a jug of milk. Jug. J-U-G. A jug is a big container with a handle for pouring things. Now we can make a flashcard for jug. We also call it a pitcher of milk. But be careful, this word is not picture, different spelling. Please make a card like this. Write jug up here in the top left corner, J-U-G. For example, a jug of water. Down here, K-I-T, 1. This means kitchen, level 1. And over here, the number 24 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The first 2 together sound like ja, like Jennifer. Together, jug. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer feels tired now. Jennifer feels tired now. Feels. She feels tired. She wants to sleep. This means she is tired. Jennifer is tired now has the same meaning. Now we can make a flashcard for to feel tired. We can use this with many adjectives. Bob feels sad. Please make a card like this. To feel tired. Vid 1 means verb, idiom, level 1. And over here the number 13 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Feel. Tired. Feel tired. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned a jug of water. And number 2, do you feel hungry? Correct. If you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, some. It's a precious metal. Oh, very good. Number 2, similar to gloves. Mittens, correct. And do you pack your bag before a trip or after a trip? Correct. Today is Thursday, July 17th. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. It is rotating, so you can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching.